horsepower, even here in China at Rippa. Yeah. Sita, can you drive forward and raise the bucket at the same time? Yeah. Okay. See, here she's showing the bucket can be raised and the machine driven at the same time. If we had something like a rotating hydraulic grappler or forestry mulcher, we would actually show that, but that's going to be another video. If you notice, look at the smooth operation. And I understand we're not going super fast and there's not, 3,000 pounds in the bucket, but still, for a machine that's 68 horsepower, less than 40 grand, this isn't a bad machine at all. And it would be even smoother if it was in the dirt instead of the concrete. The concrete, you can't really tell, but the concrete isn't very smooth here. And if you're wondering what the red bar is, no, you're fine. What the red bar is here, that's a safety mechanism. If that's not lowered like that, the machine hydraulics are cut off to hopefully prevent any issues. And the other part is, if you notice the water here, this is water coming from the air conditioning unit. Just like you see in a car, you can see the water. So the water will, if the door was shut, you can actually see the condensation on the back of the on the inside of the back window, because it is blowing so much cold air. It's awesome. It's literally, you can get down to about 58 degrees inside the cab if you want. And today in China, it's 87, 88 degrees from what I was just checking with the weather app. And this is my host,